How to write a review on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to share your experience with local business, in this video I'll show you how to write a review on Yelp in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone. And now here, once you have opened it, make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now, once you're inside the app, simply use the search bar to find the businesses that you want to review. Just type in name and tap on correct listing from the result. And now here, once you are on the business page, simply scroll down until you see the write a review button. So simply tap on it to get started. And here you can choose your star rating from 1 star for a poor experience to 5 star for the excellent one. And here with that you can write about your experience and mention what you like and didn't like the services, food, atmosphere, or the price. You can also add photos to make your review more helpful. And when you are done, you can just tap or click the post review button, and that's it. And after that, your review will be live on Yelp. And that's how easy it is to write a review on Yelp. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.